What's happening, everybody? This your boy Snow. Welcome back to the lab. We're here more of that Shamil good talk. Let's get it. Okay, I have sent mail from my man Leo. Make sure you go check out my other videos because he sent me an amazing package already. He's blessed me and put me on some new stuff I wasn't even aware of. But this time he sent me a package that has a sample pack from Nobility Parfums. Okay, in the red bag, that's what's currently available for everyone to purchase at the moment. In the black bag is unreleased collection, which is not available to the public. I want to first say thank you, bro. Like, this means a lot to me that you even trust me with smelling these, putting my nose on these. I'm excited as hell. So let's dive right into it. We just gonna spray and sniff. You feel me? Let's do it. Let's do what it do. So let's start with the red bag. The red bag has what's already available to the public. And it looks like I have 5 different fragrances. Ooh, I like this. I like this. Silver Surfer. Lee Nut. I hope I'm saying that right. Beside. Aura. Extra Extra. Listen, this is going to be first sniff impressions. But of course, everything here is going to be put through its paces. But let's at least get it on card to see what it smells like on just first initial vibe. Okay, but remember, when it comes to this smell good space, you have to get it on skin. So we're gonna start with Silver Surfer. I like the way that smell. Ooh, oh, hold on now. That's like that is a unique smell. It's fresh, but like nutty vibe all at the same time. Like honey, but like roasted honey nuts. Pause. I keep saying nuts over and over. I apologize. Okay, see this one. This is a very good spin on fresh honey, like cedary aspect. Okay, this one is gonna have to be put on skin because I'm curious to know how like that honey nutty smell would do on my skin. But that doesn't smell bad. I wish it had a little bit more fresh that popped out. Maybe because it's on card, it might be a little bit delayed. So I'm definitely gonna have to put that one on skin. This time we have Le Nut. Le Nut. All right, let's go. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is a this is like a minty, musky vanilla vibe going on. Has a little bit of woody undertone to it. It almost smells edible. And I don't know if it might just be me. It's a very I get a minty vibe to it. I like this one. I'm enjoying this one off first sniff. Ooh. Ooh. Like the more I smell it, the more it smells like coconut jelly. I, okay, listen. So if you don't know, like coconut juice and coconut jelly in my opinion, have a different smell to it. The coconut jelly has a more fluffier, natural sweet smell to it. But you know, coconut juice, you can if sometimes it can smell like you're just drinking sugar water. But this one is a very like fluffy coconut airy kind of. I like this. Ain't bad. This is a summer sweet banger. I gotta get this one on skin too. Now let's go on to the next one. This is B-side. Let's see what it's hitting on, baby. Oh, our first sniff. This is a sweet, sexy banger. And just so y'all know, B-side stands for Blue Screen of Death. Okay, this our first sniff. This is one that I would have to get, but hear me out, because I don't know if I'm imagining things, but this is like lemony, vanilla, honey, pear vibe, because it's a very fruity. It's fruity but honey with a splash of vanilla. and it's fresh too. Like that's what's throwing me off. I like this because this is fresh vanilla with fruit base and it's spicy too. This is my kind of off first sniff. This is my kind of fragrance. This one right here smells delicious, and this is wow. This one right here, whoa. This one right here, I'm telling you, this, and I feel like It almost has an orangey aspect to it as well. This is a concoction of love juice. I like this one. Blue Screen of Death, or B-side as I say. Hey, this one right here. Yes, sir. I like that one. All right, let's go on to the next one. Or let's see what it's hitting on. B-side is top number one right now. Oh, oh my. Oh my. Oh my. This is it. This is oh my. Blind Buy Safe. Nasty Work. This is ooh, this right here is Nasty Work. And y'all know what it means when I say nasty work. The subtle woody notes set a foundation, right? So walk with me. I'm gonna build a house with this one. You got the wood. It's been treated in mint, in a grassy note. I don't know if grassy might be too far, but a very minty, fresh note, mossy kind of vibe. So that's the foundation of the house, right? And then on top of that, you put a little something on it to make it very welcoming, a little lavender, a little, a little floral aspect, right? You sprinkle that in there, right? We're building this house now, but then you want to take it up a notch. You get a little bit of ginger, but like a spicy ginger. Mm. You keep going. You add a little bit of tea, and I'm talking about like a lemony type tea, lemony spicy type tea, but not too spicy, but just enough to clear your throat. And then it's a little bit of bergamot in there. It might be a lemon, I don't know, but it's somewhere in that range. This smells delicious. I need more. Listen, this right here is Blind Buy Safe. I just hope the way it smells on card, it performs on my skin. Because if it performs on my skin as good as it smells on card, I need a full bottle of this. Oh my. This right here, nasty work. And you know what it means when I say nasty work. B-side is nasty work, but on a scale of nastiness, it's a 7.5, right? For Aura on a scale of nastiness, it's a solid 9.2. Straight like that. All right, let's go to the last one. This one we got extra. The juice looks nice and golden too. Let's get it on paper. Let's get. Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh, I don't know. That's leathery spice going on. Oh, hold on. It's not. I say leathery spice, but more like charred charred wood, or when the how wood smells when you put it in a smoker when you're smoking meat. That's what I get from this, right? But it's very fruity, smoky. Ooh, this right here, it almost is a vanilla touch to it. Maybe not vanilla, but it's something sweet. It's like a burnt sugar, but no, not burnt sugar. Almost like a cotton candy. You know how when it's spinning in the cotton candy machine and you can smell the sugar. Like I guess I don't know if the right word is cooking or burning to make the cotton candy. Man, so okay, so I will say this: this is nasty work for individuals who like an edible, floral, woody, burnt, smoked, woody kind of vibe. Little bit of little bit of rose maybe, but it's something floral about this bad boy. I like this one. So listen, this is nasty work. This is nasty work. But you gotta want something that you can sit down at the table and just eat up. You gotta want something to where you probably can't wear it in hot weather because you might start smelling like a walking a walking honeysuckle, and you might get the bees on you. I don't know if you want that, but this in a controlled environment, in a cooler environment, this is gonna make some noise. Now, how it projects when I put it on skin, we're gonna find out. But I would say this is nasty work for them individuals who like those edible fragrances. If you like an edible fragrance, this thing right here is slapping, man. But this one for me though is gonna be a skin tester. I gotta test it on skin to really get a good feel for what it's hitting on, because I feel like my body chemistry might make it go in a funky direction depending on the kind of environment I'm in. But I like this one though. This gets the nasty work stamp of approval, but on the scale of nastiness though, because I know everyone doesn't like an edible fragrance. I give it a 7.5. No. I give it a 7.2. 7.2. Okay. So again, this was from the House of Nobility Parfums that my man Leo sent me to put my nose on. And this is the line that is currently out there. I'm gonna say it from what the ones I got. You got Silver Surfer, you got Linut, Blue Screen of Death, Aura, and Extra Extra. These are available right now. I'm telling you, go get a sample set because I was thoroughly impressed with this. Like, this really has me feeling some kind of way. And Blue Screen of Death or an extra money. All right, man. As always, talk to me in the comments. Let me know if you had an opportunity to experience this house. Let me know what you think. But as always, man, make sure you like, comment, repost. And yeah, man, y'all be easy.